Yes, hi everyone. Let's continue our English by printer intermediate. Yeah, so in this video we continue unit 4. Yeah, food for thought. But in this video we focus on page 47. So you can open your book to page 47 to study about this point. Yeah, every day in English. Yes, already. Let's start. Everyday English. Can you come for dinner? Yes. So number one, what happening in the photo? Yeah. What are the people eating and drinking? So you can see the picture. Yeah, everyone. Yeah. And number two, match a question in A with a reply in B បាទអញ្ចឹងក្នុងមេរៀននេះគឺចំណុចទី2នេះគឺគេឲ្យយើងភ្ជាប់ពី A ទៅនឹង column B ណា question នៅក្នុង A ហ្នឹងតើគូកងទៅនឹងចម្លើយនៅក្នុង B ហ្នឹងគឺចំណុចណាមួយបាទអញ្ចឹងក្នុងមេរៀននេះគឺគេឲ្យយើង listen to audio yeah អញ្ចឹងគេឲ្យ listen and check yeah what is the next line practice the conversation with a partner yeah បាទអញ្ចឹងក្នុងមេរៀនចំណុចនេះគឺយើងត្រូវស្ដាប់នៅ audio ហើយចាំយើងមកពិនិត្យនៅចម្លើយរបស់យើងតែម្ដងបាទអញ្ចឹងយើងស្ដាប់ទៅ audio ទាំងអស់គ្នាតែម្ដង yeah let's go
4.8 Can you come for dinner? 1.
This soup's lovely. Would you mind giving me the recipe? Not at all. I found it online. I'll email you a link to it. Oh, great. I think my kids will love it.
2.
Could you pass the salt, please? Yes, of course. Do you want the pepper too? No, thanks. Just the salt.
3.
Anyone for seconds?
No, thanks. It's delicious, but I couldn't eat another thing.
Well, there's dessert to come, you know.
4. Can I have some water, please?
Sure. Do you want still or sparkling?
Just tap water is fine, actually.
5.
Has everyone got room for dessert?
Well, I have. It looks fantastic. Did you make it yourself?
I did. It's my grandmother's recipe.
6.
Would anyone like some more ice cream?
Yes, please. I'd love another spoonful of the strawberry.
Here you are. Help yourself.
7.
How would you like your coffee?
Black with no sugar, please. Do you have any decaf?
Yes, I do. Would anyone else like decaf?
8.
Can I get you some more wine?
Just a drop, please. I'm driving.
Oh, I'll let you pour it.
បាទអញ្ចឹងបន្ទាប់ពីយើងស្ដាប់នៅ audio ហើយយើងមក check នៅចម្លើយរបស់យើងតែម្ដង yeah អញ្ចឹងយើងមើល column A មាន question ទៅដល់8ហើយនិង column B មាន reply ទៅដល់8ដែរបាទអញ្ចឹងលេខ1តើត្រូវនឹងអក្សរអី yeah please check number 1 yeah number 1ត្រូវនឹងអក្សរ A yeah number 2 yeah number 2ត្រូវនឹងអក្សរ F yeah number 3 yeah អក្សរ H number 4 yeah E yeah number 5 B yeah number 6 C number 7 G and number 8 letter D yes so continue to the next point yeah number 3 complete the request with can or could I or can or could you yeah បាទអញ្ចឹងក្នុងចំណុចទី3នេះគឺគេឲ្យយើងបំពេញនៅសំណើឬក៏ហៅថា request ណាជាសំណួរបែប request ហ្នឹងដោយប្រើពាក្យ can ឬក៏ could I ឬក៏ can ឬក៏ could you yeah បាទអញ្ចឹងយើងមើលប្រយោគរបស់យើងខាងក្រោមនេះគឺមាន9បាទមាន9បាទអញ្ចឹងក្នុងចំណុចនេះផងដែរគឺមេរៀននេះគឺតម្រូវឲ្យយើងស្ដាប់នៅ audio សិនហើយចាំយើងមក បំពេញបាទអញ្ចឹងក្រោយពីយើងស្ដាប់តើយើងស្ដាប់បានប្រមាណយើងអាចបំពេញបានត្រឹមត្រូវដែរទេ Yes so let's start to listen to the audio yeah please
4.9 Can I? Could you? 1.
Can I have some apple juice, please?
Sorry, we haven't got any apple juice. Will orange juice do?
2.
Could you tell me where the toilets are?
Yes, the gents are over there. First on the left.
3.
Can I see the menu?
Here you are. Today's specials are on the board over there.
4.
Could I use your phone to make a call, please?
Sure. Have you not got any signal again?
5.
Could you lend me an umbrella, please?
Yes, of course. Keep it if you like. I've got lots of them.
6.
Can you take me to the station?
Oh, yes. Is that the time? Let's go or you'll be late.
7.
Could you help me with this homework, please? Well, I can try, but I'm not very good at maths.
8.
Can you give me a lift to the airport?
Of course. What time's your flight?
9.
Could you explain that again, please?
Of course. I know it isn't easy to understand.
បាទអញ្ចឹងបន្ទាប់ពីយើងស្ដាប់នៅ audio ចំណុចនេះហើយឥឡូវយើងមក check នៅចម្លើយរបស់យើងហើយតើអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាស្ដាប់បានហើយបំពេញបានត្រឹមត្រូវដែរឬទេបាទអញ្ចឹងយើងមក check នៅចម្លើយទាំងអស់គ្នា Yeah number 1 Yeah អញ្ចឹងអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបំពេញថាម៉េចទៅ number 1 Yeah number 1 គឺយើងបំពេញពាក្យថា Yeah can I ណា can I number 2 Yeah could you number 3 Can I? Number 4, could I? Yeah. Number 5, could you? Yeah. Number 6, can you? Number 7, could you? Number 8, can you? Number 9, the last one. Yeah. What is it, everyone? Yeah. Could you? Yeah. So that's all. បាទអញ្ចឹងក្រោយពីការពិនិត្យទៀងទាត់នៃចម្លើយតើអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាស្ដាប់បានប្រមាណហើយបំពេញបានត្រឹមត្រូវប្រមាណដែរបាទសូមជួយ comment ចម្លើយដែលអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឆ្លើយថាត្រឹមត្រូវបានប្រមាណភាគរយខាងក្រោមវីដេអូនេះផងបាទអញ្ចឹងវីដេអូថ្ងៃនេះគឺមានប៉ុណ្ណឹងសម្រាប់ការសិក្សាភាសាអង់គ្លេស English Headway Free Intermediate នៅក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះបាទសង្ឃឹមថាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានឹងទទួលបាននៅចំណេះដឹងពីការទស្សនាវីដេអូនេះបាទអញ្ចឹងមានតែប៉ុណ្ណេះបាទសូមអរគុណ Thanks for watching See you next video Bye bye